Are you tired of inconsistent braking performance that puts your safety at risk? Discover the game-changing, best brake pedal sensor that's revolutionizing the way we drive. In this video, we dive deep into cutting-edge technology that ensures precision and reliability like never before. Learn how this small yet powerful device enhances your vehicle's braking efficiency, providing a smoother and safer driving experience. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just seeking peace of mind on the road, this is a must-watch. Don't settle for less. Join us as we unveil the ultimate brake pedal innovation that will elevate your ride to the next level. Number 5. Dunsehui 135833370 brake pedal position sensor is designed for optimal performance across a wide range of vehicles, including the Camaro, CTS, ATS, Equinox, Terrain, Verano, and Encore, with perfect fitment for models from 2012 to 2021. This sensor replaces several part numbers like 135974423 and SLS547, ensuring compatibility. Crafted from high-quality materials, it promises durability and longevity, making it a reliable choice for your vehicle. Installation is straightforward, though professional assistance is recommended for best results. Weighing just 0.06 kilograms, it's a lightweight but impactful addition to your automotive components. Plus, Dunsehui backs this product with a 12-month warranty and responsive customer service, ready to assist you within 24 hours for any inquiries. If you're looking for one of the best brake pedal sensors on the market, this is it. Experience smoother rides and enhanced braking performance with Dunsehui's innovative design. Number 4. X-Autohawks. Designed specifically for popular models like the Chevy Camaro 2010 to 2015 and the Chevy Cruze 2011 to 2015. This sensor stands out with its on-OFF operation mode and dependable normally open contact type, with a robust build of plastic and metal. It ensures excellent durability and performance, boasting an IP65 protection rating to withstand various driving conditions. Installation is a breeze, thanks to its panel mount design, and it directly replaces your factory part for a seamless fit. This sensor plays a crucial role in delivering precise signals to the inverter, maximizing your brake pedal stroke for optimized regeneration. The X-Autohawks brake pedal sensor is a testament to quality and reliability, guaranteeing a stable performance that keeps you safe on the road. Make sure to confirm compatibility with OE numbers before purchasing, and enjoy the confidence that comes with a reliable braking system. Number 3. Potentiometer stop lamp switch sensor. Designed to fit Jeep Grand Cherokee, Dodge Durango, and Ram models from 2013 to 2019. This sensor is a game-changer for your vehicle. With its intelligent energy-saving operation, efficiently monitors the brake pedal status, ensuring your brake lights turn on and off automatically. This not only conserves energy, but also enhances your vehicle's environmental footprint. The durable sensor technology extends the lifespan of your brake lamp, minimizing maintenance costs. Installation is a breeze with the plug-and-play design, instantly improving the responsiveness of your brake lights. Real-time monitoring prevents issues like delayed or constant on-brake lights, significantly enhancing your driving safety. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel or brass, the Potentiometer sensor promises reliability and longevity. Upgrade your braking system with this top-notch sensor and drive with peace of mind. Number 2. Actelco GM Genuine Parts 25912943 brake pedal position sensor, engineered to meet GM's exact specifications. This sensor delivers exceptional quality, reliability, and durability that you expect from original factory components. With dimensions of 2.8 by 2.1 by 1.4 inches and a lightweight design of just 0.07 pounds, it's easy to handle and install. The sensor boasts an impressive measurement accuracy of plus or minus 1%, ensuring your braking system operates smoothly and effectively, whether you're replacing a worn-out sensor or upgrading your vehicle. This GM-recommended part is the perfect choice for high performance and safety. Experience peace of mind knowing you've chosen a product that adheres to the stringent standards of GM original equipment, offering a perfect fit, form, and function. Elevate your vehicle's performance with the Actelco brake pedal position sensor, your ultimate solution for superior braking precision. Number 1. A premium brake pedal position sensor stands out as the best brake pedal sensor for your Chevrolet or GMC vehicle. Compatible with a wide range of models from the Chevrolet Traverse 2013 to 2023 to the Cadillac XT6 2020 to 2023. This sensor ensures precise tracking of your brake pedal's position, with a reliable 12V operating voltage and a durable plastic structure. It promises long-lasting performance. The bolt-on attachment method simplifies installation, and its push-button actuator adds to user-friendliness. Plus, the sensor features a normally open contact type and is designed for easy calibration post-installation. Whether you drive a Buick Enclave or a GMC Acadia, this sensor delivers accuracy and reliability you can count on. A Premium backs its product with a 1-year unlimited mileage guarantee, allowing you to hit the road with confidence. For those seeking a dependable brake pedal position sensor, A Premium is the perfect choice to keep your vehicle operating safely and smoothly. Don't compromise on safety. Choose A Premium for your braking needs. In conclusion, choosing the best brake pedal sensor is crucial for ensuring your vehicle's safety and performance. With a range of options available, consider factors such as compatibility, responsiveness, and durability to make an informed decision. Whether you're upgrading or replacing, the right sensor can significantly enhance your driving experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more insightful automotive content.